In this video, we will see how JavaScript is executed. First, we have a code. We get the effect of code on web pages, but for this effect, it needs JavaScript engine. JavaScript engine is built in browsers. In browsers, we have V8 in Chrome and SpiderMonkey in Firefox. In three ways, our code is executed. Firstly, it is parsed. Next, it is compiled in a machine. Then it is executed in machine code. We can optimize and do resolution and can see the effect on our web pages. These three steps are being in single thread. We have JavaScript as weakly typed and dynamic. We will see why it is weakly typed and dynamic. Dynamic means it is not precompiled. We have everything on runtime. Code is executed on runtime. It is also changed at runtime. Weakly typed means that data types are assumed. For example, I have queued a number, then I don't have to data type. We don't have to give the same commands again. We just have to define one time and don't have to do it again. It is assigned automatically. This is the concept of weakly typed and dynamic. Concept and design-wise, Java and JavaScript are two different languages. Let's see the differences. Java is object-oriented, strongly typed. JavaScript is flexible and weakly typed. Their syntax and principles are different. Java is not run on browser, while JavaScript is run on browsers. What is the history? JavaScript was invented by Brendan Eich in 1995. Its standards were changed in 1997 and were named as ECMA, ECMA, which is the official name of JavaScript. JavaScript is run in host environment. The environments on which it can be run are browser-side and server-side. JavaScript was invented so it can invent web pages in dynamic and they can be executed in browser-side. But JavaScript can manipulate HTML and CSS, as we had seen the example before. JavaScript cannot access the local file system, nor it can interact with the operating system. These were the disadvantages. Because of those, we needed server-side. On server-side, it made V8 independent, a standalone framework which is called as Node.js. Node.js can run on any machine. We use it to build web backends. The benefit of Node.js is that it can access local file system, can interact with the operating system. It can't manipulate HTML and CSS.